Hey, what is up? Welcome back to Bushings Garage. We got these mics. Hopefully now we can get the volume a little bit better with us talking and stuff. We got the dually in the background. We're gonna give it some love. We need to do an upper control arm bushing because it has shit the bed, sadly. I'm just gonna put the lift on this side so I don't have to jack it up or nothing. Gonna take the front wheel off and go from there. So let's get to that. Like usual. Definitely not. Fuck. Jeez. I need the hammer. But they spin.
I if I touch with a hammer in your hand. Dude, it's not even touching.
Oh, I am definitely struggling getting this dually wheel off. I will fight this and then I will get back to you guys when I get the wheel off. Apparently to break it loose, all I needed to do is video that. So let's just pop it off now. Heavy. I gotta take out the fender liner real quick just to get that one bolt there. And this is exactly why my rock lights stay with the plug. So now I just gotta pop this cotter. Oh, let's get some better light in there. Pop this cotter pin right here out, get this nut off, get the upper control arm disconnected from the knuckle, just disconnect that, and then we gotta go ahead and unbolt the upper control arm. Well, actually, I honestly don't remember when I did this lift, how I did this, but I literally cannot get a wrench to get on here and have the travel to break it loose, so I'm just gonna do the upper control arm mounts, have it fall forward, and try and see if I can just replace the bushings. Alright, perfect. Got that one out. Alright, now, gotta get this one out. Nah, just stay put. Alright, perfect.
Can we keep going?
Yep.
The bushings look shot now. They look shot. I can see from here. They're fucking. Look at
Dude, that's hollow. Just bang that loose from the bottom with a hammer, left the nut on so you don't ruin the threads, and then just unscrew it. Alright, well, I'm not Bang sponsored, but we're gonna need this. If Bang, you're seeing this, definitely sponsor me. Alright, let's try this real quick. Ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah, baby. Did it work?
It's out, I think.
Or did it bottom out?
It might have bottomed out.
Bottomed out?
Yeah. Maybe with a hammer thrust away.
Should I try to? Whoa.
That's good. Sure.
Bro, that went in straight.
That went in literally perfect.
Alright, press it in the rest of the way. Now, time for the reassembly. Just run this nut back in. By hand as much as I can. Alright, now we got the upper control arm all bolted in nice and tight. Just gonna slap the fender liner back in, get the wheel on, and that's wraps for this project. I honestly hate dealing with these fender liners. The older trucks are so much easier. They got less stuff going on. This fender flare, which is like quite annoying.
Open your mouth.
Alright, that's it for doing the upper control arm bushings. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully that could help you out in the future for any reason. Please, also, if you guys need some Bushings Garage merch, go ahead. It's in my Instagram bio. I don't know if I can do on YouTube bio, but please like, share, and subscribe for more. Till next time. Peace.